Going down. Rick and Sasha.
So a lot of dropped, and a lot of people were simply excited.
All I put was, oh, my God.
Right. Jussie Smollett's case was totally dropped. I was excited. But here to talk about why the charges were dropped, what's going to happen next, we've got attorney Chris Stewart on the phone. Chris, how are you?
I can't find my jaw right now.
So you were like all of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I woke up and I saw the police union is calling for a federal investigation. I mean,
Right.
I'm just dying over here.
Is that in a good way or a bad way? Were you shocked that he got off or shocked how the officials feel about it? What are your thoughts?
This entire thing is ridiculous. I mean, this is so mind-blowing, especially having handled a lot of cases that get national attention. It is mind-blowing. You know, we'll never really know what happened because it's sealed, but, my biggest problem right now, which is just shocking and everybody needs to be watching, is look at how the mayor and the superintendent of the police department are speaking publicly about this situation and the outrage. It's mind-blowing.
Does it make you think that the mayor and the police chief are so upset because of the evidence that they did have, that they wanted to show the public that he was guilty? Is that where all this is coming from? Because if he was not a celebrity, how would this play out in court?
You would have never heard of this case,
right,
if he wasn't a celebrity. This is a very, very good example of celebrity justice. And so situations like this, the reason it even got all this media attention and the reason it got all these resources that they keep complaining about is because Mr. Smollett is a celebrity.
So why do you think the prosecutors decided to drop this case in the first place?
You know, we can only guess right now, but something must have gone wrong, seriously wrong, with the investigation or the evidence that they collected, because the prosecutors built their case off of the work done, below them by the police department or by the investigators, and either something went wrong there or something went wrong in their investigation and they didn't feel like they could prove it beyond a reasonable doubt, or something happened that they didn't want public. I mean, something apparently went wrong. They're just not going to drop a national case like this unless there's something that just went wrong. Look, when the spotlight is on, it's very different how justice operates and how things work. You know, in a case that I have where there's national media attention on it, the district attorneys are under a lot of pressure, the police chief and the police department are under a lot of pressure because everybody's watching.
Attorney Chris Stewart with Stewart Trial Attorneys, thank you so much. We appreciate you.
No problem.
Going down. Rick and Sasha.